Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Land Rover Discovery. First of all, I'm going to go to Bluetooth here, and then I'm going to be looking out at the bottom. First of all, there you've got tap to connect phone, you've got phone there. If I go to phone, you've got John's phone and pair new device. I want to pair a new device. System now discoverable. Use your device to search for Land Rover. Land Rover took his time there, but I've got so many flipping Bluetooth things there, it's probably checking through them all. So yeah, there, pair, yes. Land Rover, allow contacts and favourites to sync. It's connected to the sat nav, so I pretty much know that that's worked. And there we go, Barry's iPhone 17 Pro.